Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanisho Pagam. Natasha Tahana wishes her baby Orlando Pirate forward Tim launch a blissful birthday. She wrote, "Happy birthday, King Temikos launch. May God continue to protect and guide you all the days of your lives. Wishing you may more years of happiness, love and peace and full access to heaven resources. And I admire and respect who you are. I love you, Mr. Bekelebeke." Yo, these guys bathi Thembinkosi launch yodlala kamnandi. That is for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and get updates. Thanks.
I think about you. My mind is like a river, and you always bathe in the water. Oh, I prayed for you. Oh, I cried for you. I can't believe we're here